Hello everyone, I'm Mike the Stew Burner and welcome to the channel. Today, I'm stepping a little bit out of my comfort zone because I'm not cooking Italian, I'm not cooking American, I'm not barbecuing, I'm not smoking, I'm not cooking in the air fryer. I'm doing a little bit of a take on a classic French dish, Tarragon chicken. Now I've made this 3 times in my life and the first time was pretty stressful. I'll go into that later on as we're putting this together. I'll give you a little backstory on it. But what is it? It's kind of like a classic creamy chicken dish made with a tarragon sauce. It's absolutely fantastic. And I hope that this is going to come out as good as it has come out previously when I've made it before. I'm actually adding a couple little things. I'm deviating a little bit from the original recipe, but that's okay because you can. All right, what are we going to do? So I've got chicken here. Now I don't have a chicken thigh with a bone in or a chicken leg with a bone in. I don't have a chicken breast. I like chicken thighs. So I got 4 chicken thighs here. And we're gonna salt and pepper and put a little bit of garlic powder on these. And then we're gonna dredge them. And I have some cornstarch here. You could use, most traditionally you would use flour. I'm using cornstarch because you can. So we'll dredge it, we'll season it, we'll dredge it, we'll saute it, a little bit of butter, a little bit of olive oil, we'll take them off, then we're gonna work on our sauce. I've got some shallots over here that I've sliced up, and I've got some mushrooms. I'm gonna go ahead and saute some mushrooms along with that. Don't worry about those asparagus, that's for later on. Then I've got some tarragon over here, and what else do I have? I got some chicken stock, and some heavy cream, and some white wine. This comes together fairly quickly. Another key to making this is have all your ingredients ready. You don't want to be jumping around trying to find something when you need it, right when you gotta throw it in the sauce. Make sure that you have all your ingredients. Make sure that you read over your recipe or watch this video and you'll be able to just breeze right through it. It's not that hard to make. All right, so let's move on. A little salt. Not too much salt, a little pepper, a little garlic powder here, give them a little flipperoo, season the other side. Alrighty, we're all seasoned up. Next thing I'm going to do, going to go ahead and get these coated with the cornstarch, or if you want to use flour, by all means, use flour. I know the cornstarch will work. So let's go ahead and add 3 knobs of butter into the pan and a couple tablespoons of olive oil. 1, 2, plenty enough for sauteing. All right, we're gonna let this butter melt down. And right when it's kind of bubbling a little bit, that's when I'm going to go ahead and add our chicken. Alrighty. In our pan goes our chicken thighs here. There we go. So I'm going to go ahead and saute these for about 4 minutes on each side. I want this nice and golden brown. Not thoroughly cooked through though, because we're going to finish it off in the sauce. Then once they're browned, I'm going to go ahead and put it back on the plate and we'll continue on with our sauce. About 4.5 minutes on that one. Get these off. Get my heat way down here. There we go. I'm going to go in with my mushrooms and my shallots. And I've got 2 shallots that I sliced up. All right, we're just going to cook these basically just beyond sweating phase. Now, those mushrooms soaked up a little bit of that butter, or actually all of my butter. I'm going to go in with a little knob there, so that's another tablespoon. And that should be enough to do what we need to do. Get a nice saute on these mushrooms and shallots. I do not want to caramelize these. We're just going to get them to the sweating phase. And the shallots are just about there. The mushrooms probably got about another minute. These are looking very nice right now. We're just about there. Alrighty, now we're going to go in with our white wine. And I've got about a 1/4 cup of white wine. We're going to let that reduce down. Get my other ingredients set up here at the ready. Okay, so we've been reducing this white wine down quite a bit. We've got a little bit more to go. I'm going to go ahead and add probably about a 1/4 cup, a little bit less of chicken stock in here, just for a little more body depth, a little flavor. That's kind of my little take on it. And then we're going to finish it off with the tarragon and the cream, and then we'll add the chicken to it. So let me get back to the first time I ever made this. I was in a pressure cooker. We were actually in France. Our ship was in France, and we were going to have some French dignitaries on board. And the chief asked me if I would cook. And I'm like, whoa. Because we had just lost our captain's cook. He had moved on. And we had a new captain's cook who was fairly new. And I had cooked several meals before in France with the old captain's cook. So I had some skills, but I didn't have French skills. And, you know, it's not like you had the internet around back then. So, you know, luckily they gave me plenty of warning. And so I was able to, you know, go get a book from the library, from the base library, and figure out how to make this. Made several different versions of this until we got it right, and then we actually served it to some French dignitaries. So yeah, I was a little bit in a pressure cooker there. Alrighty, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of chicken stock now. We're looking good, we're smelling good. We're gonna let this reduce down a little bit more. I'm going to go in with my tarragon and my cream to finish off my sauce, and then we'll go ahead and add the chicken and let that finish cooking. So we're probably about, I'd say, a good full minute away from adding our tarragon and our cream. Now let me remind you, this is the way I make it. It comes out fantastic. Now, if you're French out there, hey, I'm sorry. You know, full disclosure, I'm not a French cook. I'm not classically French trained. It is what it is. It comes out tasting really good. So we'll have to roll with it like that way. At least I apologize, right? We're almost there. About 30 seconds. All right. Let's go in with my tarragon. I've got about 2 tablespoons of tarragon that I chopped up, fresh tarragon. And give this, oh my gosh. If you don't know what tarragon, oh my god, it has like almost kind of a cross between lemon and licorice. There we go. In with our cream. Give it a nice little turn here. Oh, that sauce looks fantastic. All right, back in goes our chicken. So once the chicken hits 165, we're gonna call it done. All right, reduce that heat down just a little bit. We'll let these cook on this side for a few. We'll come back, we'll give them a turn, and then we'll be just about there. Oh, I wanna use the rest of these juices too. Can't give up those juices. All right, don't go anywhere. We're gonna reel this in real soon. Okay, I messed up. I lost sight there. And I am going to try to save this. I forgot to add the Dijon mustard. We'll get it in there. I'm going in with 1 teaspoon of Dijon. Get that mixed in there. Oh yeah, you can always fix things. I knew I was forgetting something. This pressure's on again. See, I'm in front of you all. I don't know which one freaks me out more, the French dignitaries or all my viewers. Okay. Let me go ahead and just give this a little taste. See where we're at. I think it needs a little bit of black pepper. Alrighty. I think we've got one turn here. We'll lower this heat down a little bit more. Probably about another 2 minutes, and I think we'll be there. Okay, we are done. I tell you, this goes fast. And would you take a look at that? Got that nice tarragon cream there. And if you could smell this, oh mio Dio. I don't know how to say that in French. All right, so let's do this. Let's take one of these chickens, get it onto the plate, get some of this tarragon sauce with mushrooms smothered over the chicken. You could serve this on potatoes, on some rice. Put a little bit of a sprig of tarragon on there. And there you go. Tarragon chicken. The way I make it. All right, well, I gotta take a couple pictures first. Then we'll try it. Okay, we come to that time. We're gonna give it a try. But before we do that, let's do some business. This episode's shout out. This episode is dedicated to all you sailors fortunate enough to be able to pull into Marseille, Brest, Le Havre. You know who you are. You know how such a great time you had. All those little side trips if you got to go into Paris or Le Mont Saint-Michel. So fortunate to be in the Navy and be able to travel, right? Hey, so this episode is dedicated to you. All right, let's give this a try. And this has been, I don't know how many years since I've had this. A little sauce on there, a little mushroom. Money. The only thing I added extra was a little bit of the pepper. Go light on the salt. Trust me, you won't go wrong. You can always add salt later. The tarragon, the mushroom, the creaminess of the sauce, everything just pulls together. You've got to make this. You saw how easy it was to make. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and most importantly, share. And right over there, hit that logo. It makes it so much easier to subscribe to the channel. So until next time, thanks, and we'll see you.